Once you open the assignment template, you can start to create your character. Select the Characters option from the top menu and then choose your base model. Try teens. I used an adult. Next, we'll customize. Drag the character of your choice down to the first cell. Don't worry, you only see standing full. We'll be able to change that. Now that your character is there, click once more and a menu will appear like you see here. Click the Edit Pose and you'll find options for facial expressions, arm and leg placement, different body positions, etc. All hair, skin, and clothes colors can be adjusted as well. Check out the preset poses at the bottom for some fun options. You'll need to upload the hand numbers 1 through 5 that I put on the folder on the server titled Hand Numbers. Once uploaded, you can drag each of these onto your characters for the numbers. To flip a hand so that it matches the correct arm, simply press the Rotate Horizontally button when you click on the object and the menu appears. After customizing your character, just hit the Copy button, the 2 pages, right of the Edit label, and drag your duplicate to the next cell. To create different shot sizes, you simply enlarge or shrink your character and then position or crop them to your frame. The crop icon is left of the red X. There are 3 options to crop: square, circular, or advanced. Choosing a different pose or angle may cause you to need to recrop. Click the character and then the crop icon to adjust. For my close-up, the arm choices don't let me see the arm. This is where you need to be a little creative. Find the Shapes tab and pick a rectangular shape with an outline. We can change the colors to look like an arm. Click the new shape and change the colors of the outline and the fill. Rotate and place it where you need it, and then click the last option next to the layers adjustment. It should say Send to Back. Finally, let's talk about the advanced crop. Anytime you have something angled, you'll need the advanced crop if you want the cell to look clean. Move the points anywhere to create the perfect line.